welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Amaria Mponda. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with others if you love the content. And today I'm back with a new video, whereas I'm going to show you my raw morning routine. To start my day, I prepare my drink. I really like taking tea with honey because I don't like sugar. I literally don't like anything extremely sweet, especially sugar or chocolate. So I prepare this tea with using this green tea with ginger and lemongrass. If you're having some gas issues, like you suffer from gastro something in your tummy, please don't take this because it's going to give you some reaction. And I love honey with its benefits. I hope we know that honey is very good for your health. And that's how I start my day, with that warm drink into my empty stomach. And yeah, we got the morning started. And then I drink some Activa yogurt, which is so good for digestion. It's my everyday thing. If you're having constipation, this is one of the good things. And then drink some water. Hydrate yourself. Good skin loves you if you love water. Skin check. Yeah, we're ready to start our routine. And kindly watch. It's going to be helpful. So here we are. These are the products and things that I use for my skin, and I use them. Some of them I use daily, some I use them weekly, some once in every 2 weeks, or sometimes once in a month, depending on my skin condition and what it wants, because too much pressure or too much of everything is always harmful. So I try to rotate and use them accordingly. And if you can notice, most of the products that I use are for hydration and moisturizing. So I buy ingredients that are having water as the first ingredient. Same to my hair, and it applies to my skin. I'm having a very dry skin, which is very sensitive, and it's very prone to atopic dermatitis. That's why I try to use products that will help to prevent dryness, to slow the sign of aging. It helped me to fight acne, protect me from the sun, and it soothes my sensitive skin. And these are the things that you need to be very careful when you're buying products. Don't jump and buying just a Neutrogena, or you see Garnier, you see this and that, and you just jump into buying them. Kindly make sure you learn about your skin and what your skin wants. If you're having oily skin, you might use different type of products. If you're having dry or mixed skin, so whenever you're going to buy these products, kindly express yourself to the sellers, like, this is the type of my skin, kindly suggest which one I need to use. And you can still read articles online and try to know what is your skin type. And so are the products. So the very first product that I'll be using is the African black soap. To start with, I need to make sure water is set into lukewarm settings, like I don't have to use too extreme warm or very cold. And then I need to hydrate my face, and then I'll take a cotton pad, and then I'll rub it on the soap, and then use it to scrub or to cleanse on my face. Actually, I'm doing it very gently. Don't be confused with the video because I put it in the fast motion, so that's why you see I'm going too fast. But actually, I was very gentle. I don't scratch my skin that hard. and I'm using that one so as to make sure I cleanse most of the dead skin, residuals, and other things. The soap is very good for the skin. It helps to deep cleanse the skin, and it also helps relieve acne, and if you're having oily skin and other skin problems. It also great for removing makeup. So sometimes instead of using a micellar water, I use this one. As you can see, after using the cotton pad, next is I'm going with the tips of my fingers, and then I keep on rubbing and like massaging it slowly, concentrating on the areas that I'm sure they are a little problematic, and then making sure the soap is well spread all over the face, and it will dry. The more you keep on using it, it will dry, and then after some time you need to wash it off. So try to wash it with lukewarm water, and yeah, it's a very good soap. It's an African soap from Ghana actually, and from a company called OK Pure Naturals. It really works. It works on most skin types. So don't say my skin is this. Like, this is a universal soap. I would call it like that. Next up, I'm going to use this Garnier gel wash, which is containing zinc and witch hazel extract. It's formulated for sensitive skin. My skin is sensitive. I need a flag for that one. And it has imperfection that most people don't see. My skin has a lot of issues, but I try to use the right things to try to eliminate them. And then this soap is very effective against blemishes with the gentle formula. But I don't stay so long with this. I just cleanse it on my forehead, because that place on my forehead is very imperfect. Like, I struggle to remove the spots that I have on my forehead, and that's why I kinda use this on that place, and so far so good. I cannot complain. And now it's drying up. I'm using a towel. Please don't use towels on your skin. Sometimes towels have bacteria, and then work done is going to be all wasted. Kindly let your skin dry itself, and there are a number of benefits if you let your skin dry itself. Kindly skip the drying your face with a towel. And I do moisturize my face using this Tridem Bionike, and this product is very good to moisturize and protect the hyperreactive, atopy prone skin, which my skin is one of. It's very ideal in cold season, and it's a therapy maintaining an aid between flare-ups and in case of persistent dermatitis. So this moisturizing cream includes very high content of lipids to provide an intense emollient effect. It's very hydrating. Like, I love it. And if you're having a very sensitive skin and it's drying because of the weather, this is one thing that I would recommend you go for. Like, if your skin is dry, this is the one that will help you. Take your time, slowly running your fingertips on your skin and make it get absorbed very nicely. And do not forget your neck. My next moisturizer, I'm going from Neutrogena gel cream, which is a light gel. It absorbs quickly into your skin and acts as a sponge. This light gel cream, it contains an acid that helps hydrate and repair the skin and make it feel plumpy and supple. So this product is oil free and is dye free, fragrance free, so that means it doesn't even give you that greasy effect. And it's very good for tricky skin types like acne prone and sensitive skin. And my skin looks and feels very better after using this product. So one of the good one. And number 3 moisturizer is this Garnier Hydro Bomb, which has a SPF 10, so it has a sun protection ingredient. This formula is made with 2 antioxidant superfruit extract from amla and pomegranate, and combined with the daily UVA and UVB protection. Like, I love this one, and I've been using it for almost 2 years now. I've never stopped loving it. I love this product, and it's very effective. It's advised to rub your massage your skin as you're applying these products, because this movement stimulates the blood flow. and there are a number of benefits to the skin itself. So kindly, when you're doing it, don't just rub like with 2 or 3 times the palm on your face and you're done. Be gentle. And the last part, I need to take care of my lips. I'm going to be using this Vaseline Lip Therapy Aloe Tint, and it's proven to take care of the dry lips and heal them and relieves dullness and cracked lips. And my lips are such in demand of this product. Like, I have wider lower lip that dries every 2 seconds, so this has become like a savior. And we are done. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and watching the video. And this is the result of my morning routine. I'll be back with another video. I'll be sharing my night routine that will include either the scrubbing or the deep cleansing. And yeah, stay tuned for the new one. Thank you again if you watched this video to the end. I'm so proud of you, and I'm glad that you support my videos. Kindly share, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you're having anything that you want me to add in my videos. Don't hesitate to comment down below. Thank you.